What is a myth? A myth is a traditional story or belief that explains the beliefs or customs of a society. Typically involving supernatural beings, explaining natural phenomena, human behavior, or a moral lesson. However, myths are not based on fact or scientific evidence, and are often considered to be false or fanciful stories. No offense to Bigfoot or Nessie. In the context of Six Sigma, a myth refers to a misconception, a misunderstanding, or a belief that has been proven to be not true. Myths about Six Sigma often misrepresent the methodology, its purpose, or its benefits. One of the biggest myths about Six Sigma is only for manufacturing and production industries. Not true. Six Sigma applies to any industry, any organization, and at any process seeking to improve quality, efficiency, and bottom-line results. It is a data-driven methodology for services, healthcare, finance, logistics, and many other industries utilizing processes or workflow. Processes include manufacturing, services, and administrative, with the overall goal to improve quality, reduce costs, increase revenue, and improve customer satisfaction. Six Sigma is not limited to manufacturing industry. It's a versatile methodology which can be applied to any organization for process improvement. Would you like to see how Six Sigma could help your organization? OpEx90 can help with training your leadership teams in Six Sigma problem solving or conduct on-site workflow/process improvement. Please visit the OpEx90 website for more information on courses and consulting. And of course, like and subscribe for more videos. We welcome your comments on Six Sigma and problem-solving techniques.